Hey everyone, it's Shanae and I'm back with another video. So today I wanted to kind of do like a hair refresher. I washed my hair maybe like a day ago or like 2 days ago, and I haven't put any moisture or oils or anything in my hair to kind of give it that boost, that shine, the necessary oils that your hair needs. And it's fresh and clean, so I want to do that today and just kind of do like a video on what I'm using in my hair right now. And yeah, so let's get into it. So my hair, I have been growing my locks, I think it's been like almost 4 years now. 4 years. So in August of this year I will be going into my 4-year mark, and these locks have gotten really long compared to old videos on my YouTube channel, where they were, kind of short, but now they're pretty much long. I can do a lot with it, a lot more with it. I still don't really do much with it though, to be honest. I feel like it needs to be a little longer so I can like do actual styles, but that's probably not the case. I just haven't really experimented with anything as yet. So these are the locks. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what I'm using in my hair these days. I'm still using my spray bottle of distilled water in my hair. Even though I wash my hair and it's with the shower water, I still use this on my hair to like give it that moisture on a regular basis. And I picked up these two things from the big box store, the big blue box store, you know what I'm saying, the other day. And I don't really have any reviews or thoughts on it. It's just some oil to add to my hair when it's like super dry. So I'm using the Jamaican Mango and Lime Love Your Locks. I didn't even know it was for locks. Okay, Love Your Locks for effortlessly long-lasting locks. Soothes and Seal Almond Oil, moisturizing, strengthening Manuka Honey Sunflower Oil, jojoba oil, moringa seed oil, and it looks like this. It's Jamaican Mango and Lime. Next is the Aussie Miracle Moist Intense Hydration Oil with avocado oil. And this was like $10 for this little bottle. Too expensive, probably won't do it again, but I got it and let's just use it. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and start spraying my hair. And I just pretty much just damp the hair. I don't make it saturated or anything like that, but just get some moisture in the hair because it's a little dry. Let me just wet the locks. Again, I'm not like making it super wet like in the shower or anything like that. It's just to make sure that the hair is evenly moist, and it feels really good. Most of it is brown, but I have some like light brown or almost red like hair. I don't know. My dad had hair like this from what my mom would tell me. So I guess I'll take after him with my hair. But when the sun hit it, it just looks red. Okay, so I'm going to Okay, then we did all that. Moisten the hair. Now I'm going to go in with the Aussie Miracle Moist Intense Hydration Oil with avocado oil. And I'm going to go in with this one because I'm going to like just kind of coat it over my locks. This oil is really thick compared to this one is a little looser. So I'm going to put this on like my scalp, massage that in, and then I'm going to use this for like the shine and hydration for the body, the shaft of my locks. Just going to use, as you can see, it comes out pretty thick. And that's pretty much all I do. Okay, the second coating. I just pretty much rake it through my hair, making sure that it's evenly on all of my locks. And just kind of rake my fingers through to kind of detangle the locks, because sometimes they can just be all over my head. Like I take my bonnet off and I just go some days. No real particular style, just moisturizing the locks. And then next, I'm going with this. And I just kind of do this all over to make sure that it is on every part of my scalp. And then I just rub it in. Especially on my edges. In those areas where my locks don't seem to grow as long as the rest. Because like certain areas, like my sides for one, I feel like they don't grow as long as the rest of it. But you know, like you lay on one side of your head when you're sleeping type situation. I think that's what's going on. But that's pretty much all I do. Locks are so like versatile, so easy, effortless. Like it's probably the best hair decision I've ever made. Don't regret it. And I just keep massaging all over. And that's pretty much it. So when I go outside, my hair can get the sun activated on it, absorb all of that goodness. That's pretty much all that I do. And me, honestly, I'll just take my locks and just move them to the side. I like a little behind the ear action. And that's pretty much it. And that is how I style my locks. Retie coming soon. Where does this one go? That's pretty much it. That's the hair process. That's the moisturizing process for my hair these days. Again, I don't use much. That's it. Thank y'all so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. I may do some more hair updates. If that's something you guys want, please leave it in the comments, and I will see y'all next video.